What up, guys? So I just ordered this Tesla screen for my Mustang. It cost me around $500, but I had to pay extra for the Apple CarPlay, which is this, and then it's supposed to be a plug and play. So all I have to do is connect everything together, and right here is the Tesla screen. I also just bought more goodies for the Mustang. So carbon fiber, diamond stitched carpet. Well, anyways, you get the idea. Sheesh. It's way better than having like the other one. It's just like a lot of buttons, and I don't really like it. So I bought this. I bought the carbon fiber for the Mustang. This one's for the door handle, airbag, and I don't fucking know. And then this one's for the center console. Oof. Looks nice. Looks hella nice. I like it. It's nice. So I'm gonna be installing all this today. Tesla screen, carpet, and interior pieces. So yeah, let's go do this. What's up, guys? So pretty much the yellow one goes right here on top. The two black ones go right here. The one with the purple is right here. The one with the red and orange goes right here. I'm still a little confused because I have no idea where everything goes, but I'm positive because I'm positive about this. Not. I'm positive about this. Okay. Then this one's for the Apple CarPlay, which goes right. Which goes right there. Then subwoofer. This one goes right here. Right there. And then the black one goes up here on this one. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5, I have no idea where they go. But there is this one, which is the GPS antenna, which I'm not gonna be connecting because I see no point in having this. So trash, and then right here's for the Apple CarPlay, and this is the I'm not sure where this goes, but so yeah, I'll record when I'll figure what's this for. I know this for the Apple CarPlay, and this are correct, guys. This is all correct. What's up, guys? So what you're gonna need there's only 2 bolts down there, 7mm. But before I take it apart, I need to turn it on. What you want to do is turn on the air all the way, and then after that just shut it off. So then it'll be already on, you know. So it'll be already on, and you don't have to I'm not really sure because I just do it. All right, just do it. So I'm gonna pull off the tab from right here. I'm gonna do it off camera, to be honest. Well, guys, so I already had this like this. I didn't bend it. Anyways, I used this screwdriver. Then I just popped it out through the bottom. It's a little difficult, but not too hard. So right now it should come out easily. I'm not trying to break anything, you know. Let me see. There we go. Yeah, I didn't break anything. That's good. So we got this off, and then there's a clip right down here. Let me just figure out how to take it out first. There we go. God damn it, man. This shit is little as hell. Alright. Well, anyways, there's just a little tab right there. There we go. Took it out. Big ass calculator. So we're gonna be replacing pretty much all this into like a Tesla screen. So this, we're not gonna need it anymore. I also went ahead and installed the mattresses. They look pretty nice. Yeah, boy. Anyway, so got the impact gun right here. I'm trying to see the bolts through the camera. It's actually not a good idea. You know, it's right there. Ah, shit. Well, one of them fell off. I'm gonna leave them on still. Alright, this one's about to fall out. Alright, there. Stuck it in a little bit more so it doesn't fall on me. Alright, there we go. Then, on there 4 right here. Oh, that one's gonna fall, man. Alright, let me just grab on to the screwdrivers because they're all falling out. That's good thing I brought this. What the hell is this? It's a little clip. Anyways, good thing I brought the magnet. Where's the bolt? Oh, there we go. So, one more. Two. I'll just leave the bolts down here. Then take these out with my hand. One. I thought they were off already. So, on this one, 4 bolts. And there we go. Came out pretty easily. Has a clip down behind it. Oh shit. So, damn. Wow. Anyways, we're not going to be needing this anymore, so let's put that over there. And then, moving on to the last. Well, let me take out all the bolts real quick. Oh shit. It fell down here somewhere. There you go. That's why you need a magnet, guys. For them bolts that fall down there. Anyway. It's kind of hot, man. It's hot outside. It's hot. So we got that. All the bolts off. God damn, man. Now what? Oh, there we go. So there's an antenna behind it. I'm trying to take something out. I can't even see. It's grabbing onto. Can you guys see? I can't see shit. Right? So it's grabbing onto another clip down here. There. Antenna cable. And what's that one? Just one last one, right? Yep. Alright. So we got this out of, what the heck? I thought there was only one left. Oh no. So there's another big one over here. That one's kind of hard. Huh. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay guys, so pretty much the antenna, there's 3 cables and 4 cables in total. This thing is huge. Who even uses CDs anymore? What's inside there? Nothing. The majority of it. It doesn't look like much. Anyway, so put that over there. So let's see all the cables. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's take out the Tesla screen out the box and start plugging it in. Alright guys, so we got it halfway out. The cables are all the way over here. So what I heard is that you have to change out the clips from the original one off. So we gotta take these yellow clips off. Take those clips off and put them onto here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. What's up guys, so I got the Tesla screen connected. It should come on. It just it lags a little bit, you know, because it's like barely starting up. But yeah, that's the only thing I don't really like about it right now, because it takes a good while to turn on. Six speed, man. Oh, there we go. So I got all hooked up. Right now I'm gonna install the carbon fiber right there, right here, all around the dash, and right here in the center console. So I'll make and Tesla screen. Anyway, so we got YouTube. Pretty much it's just like a phone anyways. You can download apps, Snapchat, you know, Instagram, pretty much anything. But I don't know why you would want to watch any of that while you're driving. But anyways, that's up to you. I paid $500 for this, which I don't think it's bad, because I love it. So we got the channel right here guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So go subscribe, like the video, and yeah, if y'all haven't, go watch that one. That one's the first start of this car. Oh yeah, I don't have more videos. So yeah guys, anyways, I like it. It's nice. That GTO is nice. Oh wait, those are just car. Anyways, so yeah guys, see y'all later. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Go subscribe, like any of these videos, this one preferably, And that's it.